Understanding ground meat, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking vocabulary, specifically the term ground meat. This phrase is commonly used in recipes and culinary discussions, so it's a great addition to your English vocabulary. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in everyday language. Ground meat refers to meat that has been finely chopped by a machine or a meat grinder. This process results in a loose, granular texture. It's important to understand that ground meat isn't just limited to one type of meat. It can be beef, pork, turkey, chicken, or any other meat. In some countries, it's also known as minced meat. In this section, let's explore the different varieties of ground meat and how they're commonly used in cooking. Ground beef is widely used in burgers, meatballs, and meatloaf. Ground pork often appears in sausages and dumplings. Ground turkey and chicken are leaner options, frequently used in healthier recipes. Each type brings its unique flavor and texture to a dish. Ground meat is a global ingredient, but it's called different names in different places. For instance, in the UK, it's often referred to as minced meat, while in the US and Canada, it's called ground meat. The way it's seasoned and prepared also varies from one cuisine to another, reflecting the diverse culinary traditions around the world. When buying ground meat, look for freshness and the right fat-to-meat ratio for your recipe. For cooking, remember that ground meat should be cooked thoroughly to ensure food safety. It's versatile in the kitchen, so feel free to experiment with it in different recipes. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of ground meat in English. It's a simple yet versatile term that you'll encounter often in cooking-related conversations and recipes. Happy cooking and happy learning! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.